Hello boys and girls and welcome to my channel. Couple of days back, I was in the preschool session with my son who is 3 years old, and a girl in his class who was also 3 years old told the teacher that she couldn't attend his class for the last 15 days because she was down with coronavirus. That is the kind of impact that that this word has had in our lives in the last 1 year. Even 3-year-olds are getting impacted by it and understand what impact it has in our lives. While we protect our health from this dreaded word by taking all kinds of supplements, by being secure, by being indoors, by eating healthy, by exercising, we also need to be financially protected to make sure that our loved ones are fine. So today I'll be taking up 5 FAQs on COVID insurance. COVID insurance is a very simple kind of insurance which gets activated in case the insured gets detected with coronavirus. There are 2 forms of COVID insurance. One is called Corona Rakshak and the other is called Corona Kavach. Corona Kavach is an indemnity insurance policy, which means the policy will cover costs related to hospitalization in case there is a need for one under this policy. While Corona Kavach, Corona Rakshak is a benefit policy in which a lump sum amount will get paid out to the insured in case he gets detected with COVID-19. Both these policies are offered by all leading insurance companies in our country today. So let's take the first FAQ that is running in all our minds related to this COVID insurance. FAQ 1. If I have an existing insurance policy, do I still need to buy an additional COVID insurance? No, you do not need an additional COVID insurance in case you already have a comprehensive policy that will anyways cover all forms of hospitalization, including what is required for COVID-19. FAQ 2. In case I don't have any form of insurance, will buying COVID insurance help? Yes, it will definitely help, as having some insurance is always better than having no insurance. And with the kind of prevalence that COVID is having in our lives, it is much better to be insured against this dreaded ailment. And FAQ 3. Are COVID insurances expensive? No, COVID insurances are much cheaper than all comprehensive insurance that is available in the market. Do make sure you research adequately before you proceed to buy. FAQ 4. Are COVID insurances available online? Yes, all major insurance companies have COVID insurances available on their website, and they are also available on aggregator websites. Do make sure you do your research online and buy offline, or you can even buy online depending upon your comfort. FAQ 5. Are waiting periods applicable even in COVID insurance? Yes, waiting periods of 16 days and 30 days are applicable in COVID insurances. If you are looking to depend on your existing comprehensive insurance for your COVID treatment, then your standard waiting period, which was anyways applicable for all your other ailments, will also be applicable to coronavirus. So do make sure you check your policy bond or speak to your advisor regarding your waiting periods of your comprehensive insurance. So these were the 5 FAQs that I could think of related to COVID insurance. If you have any further questions, do comment and do let me know so that I can answer. If you like the content, please do share it with your families and friends. Do subscribe to the channel to get more updates on personal finance and health insurance. Thank you so much, guys. Stay healthy and stay safe.